Hey guys, Zombies on 1-5 here, or Gaming God Family here. Today, it's actually like 7 at night. It's on Saturday Night Live. Go check that out, whatever. So today, I got 2 surprises. Reading by the title, you can already hear that it's a new phone. I got a new phone. You can go check me out on Instagram. I'll post it up right now. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Zombies on 1-5 right there. These are my friends. So yeah, that's my account, Zombies on 1-5 here. I'll make a new account soon. It's gonna be Gaming God Family Gaming. Wait, no, it's Gaming God Family. Hope no one takes that, but yeah, I'll do that. And yeah, by the title, you can hear that we're opening some pack openings. They were $1.99 at the 99-cent store. I don't know why it would be $1.99 if it's at the 99-cent store. Anyways, they're called Chashlings. It's like they're Crashlings. Includes 4 Crashlings, 2 meteors, 2 popping meteors, and 1 crashing trophy. And yeah. So these are. Have you ever heard of Mighty Beans? I feel like these are the new series. There's series 1. 2 hidden Crashlings inside, like right here. Then we got 2 see-through. Looks like You're disgusting. That's disgusting. Sorry about that, guys. My mom keeps on yelling at something. But right here, it looks like a horned glob with 1 eye right here. And then there's like this guy that has 3 eyes and it looks like a dog with horns right there. Oh, and there's like these these types. There's aliens, dinos, sea life, monsters, insects. And it says right here, common, rare, ultra rare, and special edition. So like right here, it's a purple one right there. So what I got was aliens, and I got monsters, and I've got dinos. Yeah, dinos. So I'll be right back once I open this. Actually, no, let's just open it. Oh, do you ever get that feeling where you hear like chalk on like fingernails? It gets me the chills, man. So we get the manual. First, the manual. It comes like this. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. I will show you the manual at the end. There's actually like 150. So, yeah, I'll show you that at the end. Right now, let's get into this thing. By the way, which is really funny, see these ball things. You can actually
Okay, now, Fabian.
I'm sorry about that, guys. If you hear something in the background, it's probably my mom doing dishes. So, anyways, let's get right into it. So, got this little guy. They're not they are plastic, but they're not like bouncy things. They're not squishy. There's him. So we'll put him right here. Then we got this guy. These guys are, this guy is hard. These ones are squishy, and then this one is hard again. Sorry about that. So let's open the first hidden one. And it's a five-eyed, four-legged, two-armed monster. Don't know what this series is about. And then here we go. Okay, so anyways, guys, let's see what's in the number 2. Oh, that's weird. It's the same guy as the first one, but it's purple. That guy looks kind of cool. So we got practically 2 of the same ones. So I'll show you all of these guys. So we got Blobmaster. Got Silver Dude. I'm gonna call him Silver Dude. We got Purple Dude. Purple guy from Five Nights at Freddy's. And then we got Blobmaster. I'll try to scoop those up for you. Oh. So, yeah, guys. Sorry if you guys can't see my face. Doesn't matter anyways. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go put them in the balls. That sounds so wrong. We're already at 7 minutes. I'll be right back. I don't want to waste your guys' time. Sometimes I do. You know I don't do that. So first off, got this guy. Actually, I'm going to look these guys up, actually. Hold on. I'm going to look them up on the manual. Stay still. Okay. Where's the manual? Green, red, thing. Collectors. That guy's an alien. So the purple guy was actually angry alien. And the other guy was, so I got the angry alien, the purple one, is actually it's common. So then the angry silver dude guy was actually rare. Did I get any ultra rare ones? I got another common one, which was the vomiting visitor. Okay. So I think there's only like 2 rare ones in one pack. So yeah. We will look at the manual when we're done. We got this red guy. This guy I think is he's the dinos. So So the color ones, like these ones, like right here, are actually the rare ones. Okay, so we have to move on. I'll take all these. What's our first hidden one? We got, what the, it's like a chicken T-Rex. So we got chicken T-Rex right there. And he's actually number 28 Gravity Rex. So I was right, that was like a T-Rex. So I got him. And what's our second hidden one? It is a, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck is this guy, guys? He is a number 2 something. Let's get on to the second pack, shall we? So these guys look actually cool. So these balls are black. That's racist. I'm not racist. I do not condone racism. So we got like a mummy thing. He's a So we got these two guys. I don't know. No. So I got number 91 and 92. 91, 92. And for the two last ones of the day, we got a silver guy. Dudes, we got a silver guy. Got a silver guy, dudes. He's a monster. It's a wide-eye. He is a it's number 108 Freaky Flyer. Ooh, we got like a Frankenstein guy kind of thing, majigger. He's a number 115. Hey, Zombies on 115. He's 115 Frankenstein star. So let's I'll be right back and I'll set up the manual. Let's see the aliens, or monsters, aliens, and dinos. So we got the I'll do it 2 more times. Really slow one. Okay, so let's go see the manual. So I don't know if you can see them really good. So you can pause that. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. As always, stay awesome, guys. I'll miss you in the next video. Wait, no. Crap. I forgot my outro. Stay awesome, dudes. I will miss you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please comment, like, subscribe. Share this with your friends. Share it with your family. Share it with your family members. And as always, stay cool. I will love you guys. Peace out.